Did you know that the people of the Netherlands are some of the best English speakers in the world, even though English is not their native language? In fact, many Dutch people speak English almost like native speakers. They rank among the top countries in the world for English fluency. So, how do they do it? Why are they so good at speaking English? If you want to speak English better and faster, maybe it's time to learn like a Dutch person. Hi everyone! Today, we're going to explore how children and adults in the Netherlands learn English so well, and how you can follow their methods to improve your English too. Let's dive into the 5 fun and interesting ways Dutch kids learn English from an early age. Fact 1. They start learning English very early. In the Netherlands, children start learning English at a very young age. In many schools, English is taught from age 4 or 5. Yes, that early. English lessons are included in daily school life, just like math or science. They learn basic words, like colors, numbers, and daily expressions in simple and fun ways. But the big secret? It's not just grammar and tests. They learn English through songs, games, and stories. So here's your tip. Start learning English with fun songs, simple games, and storybooks. Even if you're not a kid, it works for adults too. Fact 2. They watch a lot of English TV with subtitles. This is a really cool one. In the Netherlands, children and adults watch English movies and TV shows, but they don't dub them. Instead, they watch in English with Dutch subtitles. This helps them hear real English pronunciation and learn how it's spoken in everyday life. That's why Dutch people are so good at understanding spoken English. They hear it daily. You can try this too. Start watching your favorite shows or YouTube videos in English. Use subtitles in your language at first, then switch to English subtitles when you feel ready. This helps your listening and reading at the same time. Fact 3. Their education system is open to the world. In many Dutch schools, students don't only learn English as a subject, they also study other subjects using English as the classroom language. That means, in high school or university, many subjects like science or history are sometimes taught in English. This gives them more time to practice using English in real-life situations, not just in grammar books. Also, many Dutch teachers speak English fluently, so students feel comfortable asking questions and speaking in English. What can you do? Try using English for other subjects in your daily life. For example, read science or history articles in English, or try watching English YouTubers who talk about your favorite topics. Learning through interest makes English easier. Fact 4. They practice speaking English without fear. Dutch kids are not afraid to speak. They don't wait until they're perfect. Instead, they speak, make mistakes, and learn from them. In schools, group work, presentations, and class discussions in English are common. Speaking is part of daily learning, not just reading and writing. If you want to speak English like a Dutch person, don't wait until you're ready. Start now. Talk to your friends in English, record yourself, or join a speaking group online. Remember, mistakes are normal. That's how Dutch kids become confident speakers. Fact 5. Their country is surrounded by English. The Netherlands is a small country, but it's very international. English is used in airports, on signs, and in many businesses. Even when you walk in the street, you often hear English music or advertisements. This makes learning English part of their daily environment. You can create your own English world too. Set your phone or computer to English. Label things in your house with English words. Listen to English music and podcasts every day. The more English you hear, see, and use, the faster you'll improve. So let's remember the 5 things Dutch people do to learn English well. 1. They start early, with fun games and songs. 2. They watch English shows with subtitles. 3. They learn subjects in English. 4. They practice speaking without fear. 5. They surround themselves with English every day. So here's the best part. You don't have to live in the Netherlands to learn like a Dutch person. You can start today, right where you are. Learning English can be fun, exciting, and part of your life every day. And if Dutch kids can do it, so can you. So keep learning, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're doing great. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn English like a Dutch person. See you in the next video.